So I took a look at your first draft, and it's pretty good, but I did highlight some things that we definitely need to change. So here you go.
Colorful. Well, what are all the colors for?
Oh, so each color represents a different formatting element or subject area, and I actually whipped up a cheat sheet to help you out.
Oh, I see. So you want me to fix the margins, then take some sections out, change the font, and then reformat the footnotes. What was wrong with the way I did it?
Just little things here and there, but mostly we're just trying to go with this new format.
I really don't see what the difference is, but oh, yeah, whatever. Okay, what about these asterisks that say "see me"?
Oh, so I'm not really sure what I want to do with that yet, so if you could just make the changes first and then see me.
And then you want me to take out pages 5 and 6? You know, that is where the data is that supports our recommendation.
Yeah, we just figured 5 and 6 didn't work.
Oh, we did. Who's we?
Pardon?
I'm sorry, you said we decided. So, you know, who is we, and more importantly, what didn't work?
Seriously, Sally, don't worry about it, okay? Just need to do it, and we need to move on. I'll give you a couple of hours to work on it, and I'll stop by to see how it's going.
Yikes, that didn't go well. The Everything Disk Management Facilitation Kit includes a second clip which shows the manager adapting to the employee's disk style. That results in a much more effective interaction. While we can't share that clip with you, we do have other clips from the Everything Disk Management Kit in this playlist, or you can subscribe to our channel here.